Hello everyone. We have given a question as following. ABCD is a parallelogram and properties of parallelogram, opposite sides parallel and the given question is as A divided at P and CD is divided at point Q. Now draw parallelogram is now let take this is a parallelogram. A, B, C and this point is B. Now AB line, there is a line which divides line AB at point P and line BC or CD at point Q. Now draw this line. This line cut AB at point P. Now say this point is P and this point is Q. This point is Q. Now the next is the line divides such that AP raised to PB. AP raised to PB is a 3 raised to 2. AP and PB, this ratio is 3 raised to 2. Whenever we write a ratio, it generally means that we cancel out the number which is common in both the number. If AP upon PB equal to 3 by 2, then there is a number which is common in both the terms, like 3x by 2x. And since this is a parallelogram, then the sides will be equal and parallel also. AB equal to BC, DA equal to CB, and these lines are all parallel also. So write the condition of parallelogram also. First, AB equal to BC and AB parallel to BC. Second one is AD equal to BC and AD parallel to BC also. Now this point is P and this point is Q. The ratio is 3 raised to 2, then there will be a common number which is cut out. Let's say that number is x. So this will be 3x raised to 2x and CQ raised to QD. CQ ratio QD equal to 4 raised to 1. CQ, this is 4x. Since and this is 1. And why we take this as x? There should be y also, but this length is same. This length is same. So 4x plus 1x equal to 5x and 2x plus 3x is also 5x. So the number which cancel out will be same in both the number. So there will be 4x and 1x, not y and not 4y and 1y. Now draw a line AC given as if PQ meets AC at R, PQ line meets AC at point R. This point will be R. Then prove that we have proved that AR equal to 3 by 7 of AC. Now go as a property. We have to prove this AR equal to 3 by 7 of AC. AR equal to 3 by 7 of AC. Right? Now, firstly, since these lines are parallel and this line cut these parallel lines, so this angle is equal to this angle. These lines are parallel and this AC line cuts this parallel line. So this angle is equal to this angle. And let's suppose this angle is alpha, then this angle is also alpha. Since these both are parallel angle, opposite angle. These both are opposite angle. Let's suppose this will be alpha. If we say that if we name this as alpha dash, then this will be alpha dash also. If we name this as alpha double dash, this will be alpha double dash also. Now we can see clearly that these both triangles are similar. These both triangles are similar, and we have to write, whenever we write two triangles as similar, we will have to write this corresponding side first. R is corresponding to R, C is corresponding to A is corresponding to C, and P is corresponding to R. So if we write triangle ARP is similar to triangle CRQ. ARP similar to CRQ. We have shown it as similar by by angle property, by angle property, by angle property, or we can say that angle property also. Now we can write it as a ratio format. Since these two triangles are similar, so we can write it as AP upon AP upon QC equal to PR upon RQ equal to AI upon RC, right? Since we have given this length is 3x and this length is 4x, right? Then AP equal to 3x, AP equal to 3x upon QC equal to 4x. This x will be cancelled out equal to. Since we need this part, so we neglect this part first. AR upon RC. AR equal to AR equal to 3 by 4 RC. Hence, proof. I can repeat it as we have given a parallelogram. These two sides are parallel and equal also. These two sides are parallel and equal also. There is a line which cut line AB and DC. There is a line PQ which cut AB and DC at P and Q, and draw a line AC which is diagonal of given parallelogram. Now this R is a point which cut at both two lines PQ and AC, right? This angle is opposite angle, so angle by angle property, this will be same. This is alternate angle, this is also alternate angle, will be same. You can use angle property also to prove both of them as similar. You can use angle property also to prove them as similar. Now write both of them in the ratio format as AP upon QC equal to AR upon RC equal to RP upon RQ. We have write them as ratio format. Now this length is given as 3x, this length is given as 4x, and write them also. X will be cancelled out, and we need also we need only this part and this part, and put them, we get our required solution. Thank you.